Homemade condensed milk is not only easy to make, but it tastes so delicious. In this video, I'll be showing all how to make condensed milk with just 2 ingredients. To make the condensed milk, I'll be using half cup of dried milk. You can also use evaporated milk, and a 1/4 cup of white sugar. I'll be adding 1 cup of warm water to it, but just in case you're using evaporated milk, there is totally no need to add water. I'll be setting my heat now on medium to high, then mix everything together. I'll mix till the sugar is properly dissolved. Okay guys, the sugar is perfectly dissolved now, so I'll lower the heat to low, then allow it to simmer, but I won't be covering my pan. Okay, this is 10 minutes later and our milk is simmering already. If yours happens to foam up, you can just lower the heat to avoid it from spilling. You just need to stir your condensed milk at interval. Okay guys, if you notice, our condensed milk is gradually forming. The milk is a little bit thicker. I'll just allow it for some time, but just remember our heat is on low. Okay, this is 5 minutes later and our condensed milk is ready. It's actually thicker and deep yellow in color. Just in case you added more water to yours, it will take longer time for it to get ready. So I'll just remove it up from the heat and allow it to cool, and as it cools down, it gets more thicker. Guys, just take a look at our condensed milk. You can actually use it in any recipe that requires condensed milk. It can last up to a week in the fridge and up to 3 months in the freezer. Thank you very much for watching. Just in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload new videos. Please do ensure you like, share, and leave me a comment in the comment section. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.